Hey everyone, we are in the Rainforest Cafe at the moment, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you around and yeah, just show what we order as well. £15 each. Yeah, so we've got a talking tree. Oh, God. The snake starts moving every now and then. Yeah. Also, that's where the restaurant is, and we've got to go downstairs, and I'll be showing you downstairs like later on. Oh yeah, look, all these animals. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at these monkeys. So cute.
We can all do our part. When you aren't wasteful with energy or with the products you or your family buy,
she's called Tracy
you can help save.
No, this is quite cool, like animal mix. And you get a pick and mix like animals and all that.
Oh, they give you bags to put them in.
Oh yeah, look. That's cool.
Oh, you can buy caterpillars.
Oh, you can buy insects as well. Oh.
Yeah.
So we got the crocodile and panda over there. I think it's supposed to be Wall Street this late, but because we can see the coins and all that. Because I think I remember throwing a coin in there before. Oh, there's a monkey up top. Yeah, so this is like the shop of it before you go down to eat. Oh, look, there's the classic frog. Honestly, I don't know what else to say. Like, it's quite a small shop compared to the one in America, I guess. Oh, there she goes again. So look, it's really cool though. Right? There's not a lot of moving things. I think there's a moving snake. See, a moving crocodile and the tree. Oh, so that you got. Oh.
Here in the rain.
So we were supposed to go in November, but we booked it a lot earlier, as there was like some people can't make the same time or same date. So we chose today. Oh. What's supposed to be going on? Oh, the fun. Are they moving? Oh, okay. Oh, there they are. That's what everyone's on about. There they are.
It's like a little hummingbird. Oh no, there's one there.
Oh, there's one there. Oh, there's the whole family. Yeah, alright, let's go down. Oh, we're in the restaurant right now. It looks really very chilled.
Look at the bar stools.
Oh, that's the stairs that we're walking up.
They're like animal stools.
They're the stairs. Oh look, got the elephants over there. More down there. Oh yeah, look at the bar stools there. That's quite cool. Zebra chair. Oh god. Yeah, if you look over there, look, they're actually shaped like mushrooms. How cool is that? Oh, you can see them moving. There you go. I had to get it at the right time to do this. Here's a bit more of a view. It's so dark. Oh god. Okay, I'm sitting down now.
Oh, it's taking ages to load the menu.
Gorilla's kind of moving. So knowing that we're supposed to go on my birthday, I've already got a passport to say I'm turning 24. So my birthday's not till next month, but because we had to book it earlier, yeah, it's a bit awkward. And also, they spelled my name wrong. They put A instead of E at the end. Oh, it's just starting to thunder. Yeah. So we just found out when the waitress came over, because Charlie and James are on TikTok, that she thought that she knows them. So it got a little bit awkward, but it was funny at the same time. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Now look at the fish. Oh, that's actually really cool. Oh, these fish are out there.
They're goldfish.
Yeah, look at those. Oh. Got a flying butterfly.
Nice, Charlie.
Oh, there's pina colada.
You don't mean to get smashed on it or anything.
Yeah, you're not supposed to get smashed on these. I think they're supposed to be
But you can't taste it.
you can't taste any alcohol.
It's not good.
So James got the wings. Charlie got the chicken strips, and look what we got, the Doritos. Oh my god, they're called lava.
Beef lava nachos.
Beef lava nachos.
Karen's got the carrot.
And she got the carrot. Oh, there's another thunderstorm going on.
That was good.
Oh, you can see him in the background. Oh, also James bit his tongue. It's kind of bleeding a little bit, but he bit it really hard.
Poor James.
Yep. So James got the ribs.
The Mojo Bones ribs.
Oh, we got the burger.
Full pork
burger.
The Rainforest
The Rainforest burger. What's in the Rainforest burger then?
You got onion ring.
Oh, it looks like a nice cheesy burger.
That's a fat burger.
Yeah. Oh, and we got the coconut shrimp.
Yeah. I got the same.
It's a lot of fries. It's quite good here actually. The food's actually really nice, honestly. I like it.
My lovely colleague are going to sing the Rainforest song as you know, clap along. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, well we thank you. We picked up something special, we made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and good time again. So happy birthday from Rainforest. Okay, woo! Happy birthday, Steve.
Right, we kind of missed the trick shot that Jamie's doing right now. Oh my god, last one. Ready? Oh, look at that one, yeah. Oh look, we destroyed the... Oh my god, I didn't record... You recorded the volcano, didn't you?
No.
You didn't Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Alright, so we destroyed the volcano, as you can see. It was a massive volcano.
Take a picture of it or no?
Alright, I should have done it when the storm was going on, but... Yep, that will be the Rainforest Cafe. It was a short video, because I just thought I'd just record it just last minute. Did you enjoy it, Jamie? So, we'll be coming back again. Well, yeah, look at empty now, like... No one's really here. Everyone's saying happy birthday to me, like 5 people. Which is just these people here, literally, yeah. But, which is other family, yeah. Not these people, my family, yeah. But anyway. Anyway. My family, not these people, right. Thank you everyone for watching. I really had a good time here. We'll probably be back again maybe one day. I'm not sure, but really good service, good food. And yeah, be seeing you next one. Take care, guys.